Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back to the adventures of Mr. Chabels, and as always, I am Victoria. Okay, today we're going to do a 10-minute challenge. Yeah, see how fast I can do my makeup using Tati Beauty Blendiful. Um, this is how it looks like actually. I've been using the other side for like the past 2 days, so I still have a clean side this side, and of course the baby blendiful is like this. I've watched Miss Tati Westbrook do a 10-minute challenge, so I said, okay, Victoria, rather than doing a review, I'll show you guys how fast. I'm not even sure if I can do it within 10 minutes, so we'll see if you want to see this challenge. Stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. But I want to reset. Okay, so 00, and let's put like 10 minutes. Okay. And I'll try not to talk so much, but yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Go. Go. Yes. So in the video, Tati actually used a primer, but I don't usually use primer, so I'll flip the blendiful to the cleaner side and I'll pat this. Let me know at the comment section, people, if you still want me to do a detailed review about the blendiful. I've been using this for like a few weeks now, because as you know, I don't like doing first impression. Okay, then we'll go on to our base. Actually, this is not my usual base, foundation, BB cream, because this is what I have here with me right now. So you just do this. I'll put all the products that I'm using at the description box, so that, hey, my neck, I forgot my neck, so let's put some more. Okay. Oh my god, that's 8 minutes. Victoria, good luck. Okay. So, then just swipe and tap, swipe and tap. Make sure that everything is blended. You know, one thing I like about this, it does cut your time in blending. I'm a fan of the Juno. Oh my god, this is scented. The Juno blending sponge, the micro, what I forgot. I'll put it here, and then I'm also a fan of the Real Techniques brush sponge. Okay, it's blended. So I usually let it settle for a while. You can see, don't judge it because of the base that I use. I don't even know the base. Okay, whatever, Victoria. So next is, let's do some bronzing. Bronze, bronze, bronze. Then at the cheek, at the jawline, close it. Fold it again at the other side like a taco, and then just blend up. Because in Tati's video, she was able to do cream, contouring and bronzing, I guess. So I'm going to do the same to show you guys that. But I would usually not be this rushing. I usually give myself like 30 minutes to get ready every day because I don't like to rush. But this is like, oh my god, 6,640. Okay. So you can do this. No, I would use a powder blush. Hold on. Let's do, see, I forgot my eyebrows. So let's do our eyebrows. 6 minutes. Victoria, very good. Good luck. Then, flick. Usually it takes me like 5 to 10 minutes just to do my eyebrows. But for today, we're going to like just fill in the front part wherein I usually have like bald spots. Actually, I can use the, no? If not, no, I would not be able to do this 10 minutes challenge because of my eyebrows. So 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my god, Victoria. So just fill in. I should have not done my eyebrows. It's not even okay, 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. Okay, next is powder. So let's powder everything up. My eyebrows wouldn't be like this on a daily basis. I would take around like oh my goodness, where's my concealer? Okay, usually it would take me around 5 to 10 minutes to actually do my eyebrows. So let's just fill in, and then next is concealer. I just conceal. If it's a normal day, I would actually clean up my eyebrows. So fold it up and then tap 4 minutes. Oh my goodness. Then dry. I think I used the wrong base for today's challenge, but never mind. It's my fault. But you can still actually see how easy it is to blend out. 4 minutes. Okay, take a powder, flip it, dab, and then ouch. Dab. 2 minutes. All over, and then take whatever powder. You can actually use the mini blend. Let's use the mini Blendiful for this to put on your powder. Okay, then just tap and then. Three minutes. Okay. Blush. Okay. But before that, I'm not happy with my it's like 3 minutes. Okay. Take some powder contour bronzer, tap the excess in your back of your hand, and then just pat it all over to see where you want to put that bronzer. Then don't forget this. Oh my goodness. 2 minutes. Okay. Don't forget to do the other side. Is it okay? Oh my god, am I red? Then Wait a minute. Whatever I have extra, I'll just put it all over my eyelids. Okay, okay. Blush, blush, blush. 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, blush. Just again. Powder blush, tap. Oh my god, it's so... Can you see that? It's going to be so pigmented. Okay, take a clean side and then just blend. 1 minute. Take okay, 30 seconds. Take your makeup spray. Okay, spray. Take your fan. Tap the excess. Okay, wait. Stop. Stop. How do you stop this? Stop. Okay, so that's 10 minutes. So this is how it's actually looking like. I think you can do this, of course, if you have more time, then it would look a little bit more like pulled together, just like what I'll link Tati's video at the description box. There's also one guy who did this. It's like Edgar. I'll put the links at the description, all the links at the description box. I guess, of course, I've been using the Blendiful for the past few weeks, and yes, it did help like make my makeup application faster in the morning, but usually I'm not rushing, so I would be able to take my own sweet time blending things, and I actually don't need to use any brushes when I use this. So now I'm going to touch this up. So one thing I like about the Blendiful is it's like this after you use it, so you can just fold everything. If you fold it like this, then it's like a taco shape. You can use this as for your bronzer, and then the other side for your blush, and then the other side will be for your powder if you wanted to, your concealer and all. So you can just keep on folding it and folding it, and you just, yeah, it's so convenient. And then I'll insert a video of me washing my Blendiful. I just usually use a bar of soap, which I find it easy, and it does remove everything. And I leave it, I have this container, this type of container. I think it's a soap dish, so usually I will just put it there overnight, and then it's good to use the following day. And since you can actually fold this, like flip it to the other side, so you only need to wash your Blendiful every 2 days, because first day, then flip it to the second day. But like me, if you want to, you're lazy, you can actually use one side like for 2 days, especially if you don't use so much product actually. So that's it. Let me know of the comment section if you do like it. This challenge is like almost a success and a failure at the same time, because I don't usually look like this when I go to work. I'm more put together and all, which is so sad. If you tried the Tati Beauty Blendiful, I do like it, but frankly speaking, I haven't touched those sponges since I got the Blendiful, because as you can see, you can use it for your powders, your eyeshadows if you wanted to actually. So actually not apply your eyeshadow, but at least put a little bit color. Yeah, Victoria, I'll stop it. If not, it's already like 15 minutes. So if you like this type of video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!